Hi guys, nothing to do with my EasyOS project, but I thought I would just take a little video. Here's me. This is my apartment where I've lived for the last 6.5 years, and I'm leaving. So it's looking a bit weird. Hold on. The lounge room has been just about cleaned out, getting rid of everything. Washing machine, fridge is all gone. And over in the corner there, that's all the stuff that's going in my car. I'm going to be what's called a grey nomad for a little while. Anyway, that's enough of that. Little indulgence, just showing my ramshackle looking apartment at the moment. There was a TV there. There was all sorts of stuff. There were desktop computers. I gave them all away. So those desks are going very soon. Chairs are going to go. And the place will be totally empty.